On the dashboard of detectingai.com, you can find tools like the AI Detector, Plagiarism Checker, Fact Checker, and AI Humanizer, all in one place. Let's start with the AI Detector tool. Simply paste your text or upload multiple files at once for batch checking. Click on your file, press Detect AI, and scroll down to see the AI-generated content percentage. Next, move to the Plagiarism Checker to identify duplicated content. With just one click, you'll see the highlighted plagiarism sections. Click on any sentence to view its analysis, and you can also see the original source from where your sentence is picked. Finally, use the Fact Checker to verify the accuracy of your claims. The detailed results will show verified facts, false claims, and uncertain facts. Here, you can also click on any sentence for a deeper analysis, complete with sources and corrected claims if needed. You can even download a comprehensive report. If your text needs to sound more natural, use AI Humanizer tool. Simply click, and your content is transformed into a human-like style. You can also access your history with just a click and easily view past results from all tools. Use this icon to share any report with others. At detectingai.com, we make content creation smarter, faster, and better. Try it now and experience the difference.